for the people, red for the blood we shed, green for the land we love, white for the peace we stand for.
On my wrist I wear the story of a land so strong, so free. Every color tells our glory, every bead's a memory. Black for the hearts that never fade, red for the price our fathers paid, green for the dreams we plant each day, white for the love that lights our way. Oh, this bracelet tells who I am, Kenyan soul in my hand. From the coast to the mountains, and we one people, one land. Raise it high, let the colors shine, peace and love in every line. Oh, this bracelet, more than art, it beats with my Kenyan heart. Mama gave me one when I was small. Said, child, remember through it all, unity's not just in song, it's what keeps us standing strong. When I travel far and wide, these colors keep me by your side, a symbol stitched in faith and pride of home that never dies. Hands together, different tones, still we rise as one, bound by colors, by this thread. Kenya's love has just begun. Oh, this bracelet tells who I am, Kenyan soul in my hand. From the coast to the mountains, and we're one people, one land. Raise it high, let the colors shine, peace and love in every line. Oh, this bracelet, more than art, it beats with my Kenyan heart. So when you see these colors, black, red, green, and white, remember, it's not just a bracelet, it's a heartbeat. Oh, Kenya.